Welcome to this presentation. We are going to be learning how to properly add reinforcement mechanical properties and its sizes successfully using Tekla Structural Designer software, and this is going to improve your skill in the use of Tekla Structural Designer software for your daily structural analysis and design jobs successfully. Let us look at the tables that contain this property. Right here in my PDF, I have my table, I have my grade of concrete, I have also the modulus of elasticity, the prefix detailing, and as well as the partial safety of 1.15. Then I have the rib type to be type 2 right here. So over here, I have the reinforcement diameters, the areas, the maximum bar length, as well as the mass per length of the reinforcement. So these are the information we are going to be referencing. Okay, let's get back to Tekla Designer. Here we go. So this window, if you closed it from here, you can get it through this material tab. Okay, if you come to the home tab of Tekla Structural Designer, and then in the home tab you will see material right here. Click on the material, and then you have the material window. Navigate to the reinforcement, and then at default we have class 500. We do not have any other class, but there are other lower class like 460, 410. Okay, but at default we have class 500. We need to add additional class as well as reinforcement. So to do that, you have to start from here where you see. So if your country is not United Kingdom, you need to make sure you change the country at first before you start to add reinforcement. It's very important, but we are adding this based on Eurocode. Okay, so now over here for the type, it's going to be loose bar. All right, so for the rib type, it's going to be type 2. Okay, for the available classes right here, default we have 500. So you click on the add from here. For you to add, you need to give it a name. We call this grade. Can call it grade 460, just like this. So for the class, it's going to be 460 right here, and then the modulus of elasticity is 200,000 Newton per millimeter square. For the prefix, this is the tensile steel, so it's going to be T. All right, so for the partial safety factors is 1.15. okay, so this mechanical property like the modulus of elasticity and partial safety factors are actually constant. What changes is the class, very important, as well as the detailing prefixed. So we have done changes, and then we have created a new class right here. Click on the OK options. You can see the class we just created. You want to add more class like 410 class. Click right here. So we type in this provision grade 410 right here. So after which the class is going to be 410. Okay, the modulus of elasticity still remains the same. So the detailing prefix is going to be Y. This simply means heat steel. All right, so everything is fine. Click on the OK from here. So we have added two classes now, but these classes has no available sizes, so we need to add the sizes of reinforcement for this class. So I'll click on the 460 grade and click on add in this provision. So from here, if I'm adding 12 diameter reinforcement, this is the area, and then this is the mass per length for 12 diameter reinforcement. So I can just type 12 here. I can type 12 here, or I can type D12. Simply means diameter 12. So whichever way or whichever name you wish to give to the diameter, you can give successfully. Click on the OK option. So this is for 12. Okay, under 460, I want to add 16 again. I click on add in this provision. So here will be changed to 16. So the name first is 16, and then the diameter is 16 right here. So the area now has to be changed to 201. Okay, so let's visit the table we had for 16 diameter reinforcement. See area 201, and then if you come down to the mass per length, you have 1.58. So let's get back. So here it's supposed to be 1.58 successfully. So these are the properties of 16 diameter reinforcement that we need to add successfully. Click on the OK options. So we add that. click on add again. If for instance we need to add 10 diameter reinforcement, you can just type 10 in that provision, 10 in this provision as well. So the area of 10, we get back to the table. This is 10, 0.6 mass per length, and the area is 79. Okay, 79. All right, so let's get back. So here is 79. That's 79, and then here is 0.6. Let's get back there. 62. All right, 0.62, just like this, and then the maximum bar length is 12 meters. All right, so this is good for 10 mm diameter reinforcement. Click on the OK. So you see, we have been able to add 10, 12, and 16. So in that same order, you can add other reinforcement. Okay, so this is actually added to this grade of concrete. You see, grade 460. Let's get back to grade 410. You see, we have nothing here, so you can decide to click. At default, we have this 12 diameter information, so type in this provision as 12, and then click on the OK options, just like this, and then click on add again. Let's add 16. In this provision we type 16 right here, and then over here 16. Okay, then over here we need to change that to 210, and then over here we need to change that to 1.5. okay, let's get back to table. Is 1.58. all right, 1.58 right here. Okay, everything is good. Click on the OK options. All right, so this is how you can be able to add your reinforcement classes as well as the bar diameters successfully using Tekla Structural Designer. I will be leaving this material in the group chat, the WhatsApp group chat. So if you are not part of the WhatsApp group chat, kindly check the link in the description of this video and then join the WhatsApp group chat to have access to this material, so you can download it for free of charge. Should you have any question, drop it in the comment sections. All right, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe to you. We see in the next presentation. Stay tuned. Bye for now.